Hello and welcome, friends. Welcome to another unboxing episode. I'm sorry for the sunlight, but I've just returned from the post office and I'm filming this at this time of day. I'm sorry again for the lighting, but I am sure that you will find it quite interesting because the content of this box, it is really elegant. Okay, so this is the box, quite a large box for the content, but I will show it to you. So I have here my little scissors and I hope that I can open it quite fast for you guys so you won't waste time. Sorry, let me change the angle of the camera. Yes, I want to open this box and it's quite difficult because I'm not so sure how to open it. It is like this, guys, so I hope that I can cut it through this part. Let me see. Now I'm trying to cut it through this part. It's quite difficult to open it, but I will manage. Maybe if I try to cut it here like a shoebox, maybe I can manage. Yes, I've managed to open it. It contains another box, I believe. Okay. So, yes, I think that this is the content I'm expecting. Yes. Well, I'm expecting a Waterman writing instrument, and it appears that I have that writing instrument right over here. I'm trying to figure out how to open it, but I guess I will use my scissors, but carefully, without damaging the box inside. So I will try to cut it. Yes, I need again the scissors because it was nice. It was quite secure packed. Let me see. Well, guys, I won't ruin the surprise. You will see what writing instrument I have here. But I can tell you the price. I paid only 100 and I paid only 105 lays for it. So including the shipment, I paid for this wonderful instrument 21.24 euros or 23.20 American dollars. You see, it is in this great looking box, and now I will open it and just look at this wonderful box. And this is a mechanical pencil, a wonderful burgundy mechanical pencil. I think it uses a reserve of 0.5 millimeters, and it's interesting. By unscrewing it like this, you can see the mine goes out. So a wonderful Waterman at a wonderful price, considering that the original box was included in this price. So guys, this was my short unboxing. Maybe I will feature it in a few days on my channel. I hope you've enjoyed it. Certainly, if you liked what you see, this writing instrument will have in a few days its own review on my channel, the Pen Collector channel. So if you've enjoyed this unboxing, please subscribe to my channel to support my activity. I want to wish you to have a wonderful day wherever you are, guys. God bless. Bye bye.